Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about ordinary least squares, how this method in linear regression help us to estimate beta coefficient, right? So let's try to understand, and without any further delay, let's get started. So we have a linear regression model, right? What is the linear regression? Relationship between variable is a linear function. That's what something that we estimate. Now this is something known as linear regression equation. We have beta naught, which is intercept. We have beta one, which is the population slope, and then we have an error. And let's say we are trying to predict what is the amount spent by a customer based upon its salary, right? And beta 0 and beta 1 are known as regression coefficients. So how we are going to estimate these coefficients? So let's say these are the data points, various data points highlighted in circle. And then let's say we have created three models. Model 1 highlighted in green, model 2, and similarly model 3. Now take a second and think which one is going to be the best model, which is going to perform really, we can say good as compared to the other. We take M1. M1 is getting biased by this data point. That's why it is perfectly fit for this data point, but very high error with respect to these data. If we look at M3, M3 is getting biased by this data point, but it is going to give us very high error with respect to these data. The only model which is getting, you can say, which is the best fit is M2 because the it is getting fit in a very general manner, in a very generic manner, and it is going to minimize the error. So when I'm talking about the error, it is the distance between the actual data points and the model line. And this is known as line of best fit. And the technique to minimize these errors is known as ordinary least squares. So the idea is to minimize these errors and then find those regression coefficient that helps us in minimizing this. This is the technique that linear regression uses in the backend to estimate the regression coefficient. So this is going to be a best model, model 2. And the technique that we are using is ordinary least square to estimate our beta coefficient, as it is fitting pretty well, fitting to help us in minimizing, right? Hope you were able to understand what is ordinary least squares. Till then, happy learning and